because I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't used it to get in anywhere. I would use it as a fake ID, but I haven't used it. I swear to God, I promise.
Okay, so you had it with the intent to use it as fake ID? Well, how old are you?
19.
The 5th of February, 2026, Orlando, Florida. A 19-year-old is contacted in a downtown entertainment district on 3 simultaneous violations: underage drinking, discarding a lit vaping device in public, and possession of a fraudulent identification document belonging to another person found on the floor of a workplace.
Hey, let me see your ID.
Orange and Washington.
Sorry,
I'll hold on to this too.
Oh, but I was gonna finish that.
Walk this way.
Huh?
You are detained. Walk this way.
For what?
You too. Come on.
What?
Hold
No
on.
way.
For what?
Turn around.
What did I?
Hey, what's on you? Throwing a lit device on the floor. Drinking alcohol. You're drinking liquor. You know where you're at?
No.
City of Orlando.
Sorry, I'm not from here.
All right.
No way.
Where are you from? Okay. Welcome to Orlando. You got drugs on you? Not true. Guys, hold on here. Arm for me. Let me take this bag off.
We only just got here.
Yep. Welcome. Yeah. Walk that way. How old are you?
19.
Shouldn't even be drinking.
I know.
Take a seat.
I'm sorry.
Move in.
Am I getting arrested?
You are under arrest.
I'm 21 or 22.
Is that her ID? Is that her ID?
No, this is it. Do you have ID on you?
Oh, I got it.
Took it.
You got it? He's got a fake ID. You gave you this?
Yeah.
Cool.
Fake?
He gave you a fake ID.
Yeah. Let me see.
You got a real one?
Yeah, somebody has it right there.
Don't even worry about it.
Right, me and me off function 12.
Watch it for me. I'm gonna go run this.
I'm 22.
If it was my arrest or my investigation, it'd be up to me, but it's not up to me. Somebody searched this already? Yeah. Is that yours?
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Bring it up. We're gonna do the cigarettes.
They're mine.
What are you doing? If you're gonna do that, I'll do the 91. We're trying to ID you. Which one's the real ID?
Cameron, the Kansas one.
The Kansas one. So you're not from Florida?
No.
Where's that Florida one from?
And my friend found it on the floor, bounce. He gave it to me. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
Okay.
Hey, can I talk to somebody, please?
About what?
I'm just confused.
You're out here. How old are you really?
I'm 19.
Okay, you're
That's
19.
my real ID.
You're drinking.
I
You're drinking beer.
understand
Hold on.
that.
You're asking what's going on. You're drinking beer. You're drinking
Okay,
separate
but
liquor.
Why
Hold
is
on.
it like?
Then you're smoking out here and littering. and throwing a lit device.
Am I? I'm really like I just got down here. I'm sorry. Like please. I'm not like this. Come on. I will Uber back. I'm Uber back right now. Please.
Yeah, dude, you're doing 3 separate crimes in one spot.
I'm sorry. Like I'm not like this. I'm so sorry.
One is, so you got it from the bike.
If you want to drive me back to my apartment,
I'm not driving you to your apartment. Are you crazy, man?
Dude, I'm sorry.
Don't worry about it.
Hey,
I'm sorry, dude. Like seriously.
what is your actual name?
It's that one.
Your camera.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You're detained, right? You're in
Yeah. Well, he
handcuffs?
said I'm under arrest. But
Okay, cool. I want to ask you some questions. All right. Before I do that, I'm going to read you your rights. All right. Doesn't change anything. I just need to read you your rights before I ask
Am
you
I like
questions.
saying? Am I usually back to the station and everything?
You're going to go to jail. Yeah. We skip the station part. We just take your
Do I
rights.
get a phone call?
You get a phone call when you get there, and you get a bond when you get there. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer and you want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand? Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to them? Okay. So you are Cameron. You initially handed my officer the Florida ID?
Oh, did I? I think I handed him the real ID. I have the real ID out.
Okay, all right. I might be wrong. Why do you have another person
My
who
coworker.
looks very similar
My
to you?
coworker found it on the floor bouncing. He gave it to me. I haven't used it to get anywhere. I was just holding. I thought it was in my wallet.
Your coworker found it?
Yes.
Then he gave it to you? Why would he give it to you?
Because I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't used it to get in anywhere. But use it as a fake ID. But I haven't used it. I swear to God. I promise.
Okay, so you had it with the intent to use it as fake ID? Why, how old are you?
19.
Okay. All right, so that's why you have the over 21. Okay, in case someone turned you down.
I mean, no. I was going to patio. This is 18.
Okay, so
He gave it to me at work, and I just didn't take it out of my wallet.
okay, so you had it in case one of these places carded you. This one kind of looks like you. This one
I
won't
mean,
work.
I wasn't planning on using that tonight. It was in my wallet.
You just
Like
said you
I
were going to use a fake ID.
No, this is 18 plus. That would be my real ID.
No. I got your real ID. I got that one. But the one that's over 21.
I mean, he gave it to me for that purpose, but I didn't say I was
Okay.
going to use it for
Okay.
that.
All right. I got you. All right. Sit tight, bro.
You want to give them a jurat? Or
Yeah, once you're come on.
yeah, we're gonna have that done. Take a seat right there for me.
I mean, he gave it to me for that purpose, but I didn't say I was going to
Excuse
use
me.
it for that.
Headquarters to downtown theater. Several deli,
Under Florida Statute Section 562.111, possession and consumption of alcohol by any person under 21, in any public place, is a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in county jail, a $500 fine, and mandatory driver license suspension upon any conviction. Under Florida Statute Section 322.212, possession of a fraudulent identification document for the purpose of misrepresenting one's age is a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in Florida State Prison and a $5,000 fine, regardless of whether the document was ever actually used. Section 322.212 does not require actual use. Possession with intent to use is the complete statutory element. The subject provided that intent element voluntarily on camera, without being directly asked and before Miranda warnings, were ever administered to him by either responding officer. This is the central constitutional problem in this encounter. At the moment the first officer declared the subject under formal arrest, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, attached immediately, requiring full rights advisement before any further custodial questioning could lawfully proceed. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1984, the custody standard is objective. A reasonable person handcuffed and told they are under arrest would not feel free to leave. Custody attached the moment the arrest was declared. not when Miranda was eventually read several minutes afterward. Between the arrest declaration and the Miranda reading, the subject voluntarily stated he possessed the fake ID, admitted he intended to use it if he was turned away from a venue, described how the co-worker originally obtained the document, and explained how it was then physically transferred to him. This sequencing triggers Missouri v. Seibert, 542 U.S. 600, 2004. Seibert held that a deliberate question first, Miranda's second strategy, violates the Fifth Amendment, and that subsequent post-Miranda admissions, confirming earlier un-Mirandized ones, may also be suppressed. However, the physical fake ID itself remains independently admissible. Under United States v. Patane, 542 U.S. 630 2004, physical evidence derived from un-Mirandized statements is not automatically suppressible under the Fourth Amendment, or the fruit of the poisonous tree exclusionary rule. The charge structure defines the full legal stakes of this arrest. Underage drinking is a second-degree misdemeanor. Fake ID possession with intent to use is a third-degree felony. The combination exposes this 19-year-old to a felony record affecting housing, employment, and professional licensing. The primary officer receives a B+ for his conduct in this encounter. He correctly identified 3 simultaneous violations in real time, communicated each individual charge clearly and accurately, and appropriately transferred custodial interrogation responsibility to the Miranda-trained second officer who arrived on scene. The second officer receives an A- for his role in this encounter. His Miranda delivery was complete, accurate, and textbook in every respect. All 4 elements confirmed in the correct legal sequence. His post-Miranda questioning was methodical and systematically documented through the full remainder of the encounter. The subject receives a C for his conduct in this encounter. He was fully physically compliant, no resistance, no attempted flight, but he voluntarily provided the intent element of a third-degree felony charge directly on camera and unprompted before Miranda warnings were ever administered to him. Lesson 1 for officers. Miranda attaches at the moment. A formal arrest is declared not when the officer decides to read it. Any substantive questioning between the arrest declaration and the Miranda reading creates a direct suppression problem under Missouri v. Seibert that is avoidable with correct procedure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze and cover in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more bodycam footage, legal breakdowns, and in-depth courtroom analysis and commentary content.